name's Henry, and welcome to my annual Halloween costume video for 2020. This year we decided to use our new 3D printer to print out some gloves, and so here they are, the Iron Man gauntlets. On the inside, each glove has a nifty little accelerometer, which I'll show you later, and it tracks the acceleration of my hand and transmits it to an Arduino which is set inside one of two project boxes in my backpack. When the acceleration of my hand goes over a set threshold that we programmed in, the inside ring of the gauntlet lights up like I'm firing it. This not only looks cool, but it's also a great way to make a transition between scenes. The next part of the costume is the arc reactor. Underneath my shirt, I have a circular ring of NeoPixels, which are each individually addressable by the Arduino. If I touch my chest right here and hold it for half a second or more, the effect will change. We have a total of 3 effects. We achieve this by having sewn in a pressure-sensitive pad, and we've also added a feature to easily... Hang on. Oh. No, not again. It's being glitchy. Ha! Just kidding. I got you there. It actually was an intended feature that I can trigger by holding down the button for 2 seconds or more. Here we have our shirt, our undershirt. Basically, this is the raw components for our arc reactor. Here we have the quote-unquote arc reactor itself, which is a ring of NeoPixels that we've then programmed using another Arduino Nano and this little pressure-sensitive pad that we've sewn into it too. If you press on this pressure-sensitive pad, you'll notice the pattern will stop turning or whatever else it's doing as it's an interrupt. And if I hold it down for 2 seconds or more, it'll do a glitch. And if I hold it down for half a second or more, it'll just switch to the next effect after flashing twice. All of this is contained within this project box here, and if it's being pressed, you might even be able to see that. There's a little indicator light, a yellow indicator light on the side. If I press it, the indicator light will light up. Here we have our beautiful project box. Yes, we 3D printed these. Right in here we have a little Arduino Nano, which is the brains of the operation here. And when it detects any form of movement over the threshold of 950, it lights up this LED here, our little indicator LED for debugging, just to make sure, even if our LEDs aren't working, we can still know our sensor's working. Here we have a little MOSFET transistor. I'm not sure if you can see that super clearly, so I'll show you this. This is what a MOSFET would look like. And basically, a MOSFET lets the current from this 9-volt battery through to this plug here when the Arduino tells it to. Then, this plug here will connect to our beautiful glove, which is actually just very simple from that point on. There's a accelerometer in there, this little chip, I've shown you this earlier actually, and this little chip tracks the acceleration of the device. This then will send data back through the plug to the Arduino, and if it's over the threshold, it sends data back that tells it to light this up. And using Arduino's great digital pin analog system, we can actually make this fade in and out. So we make it just flash on, then slowly fade out, like it's getting quote-unquote fired. You might notice I don't have an authentic Tony Stark beard. Well, that's because I'm going to be wearing this sweet mask. Stark Industries mask. All in all, that's really it. Have a happy Halloween, everyone. See you next time. Okay, did we get it?
We got it.
Did we get it? All right, good. Oh, wait, are we still rolling? Edith, cut the scene.